Good morning. Another beautiful day of the Healthy series. Today's intention is I am environmental, because it is our environment, Mother Nature, that looks after us, nurtures us, gives us health. So we are going to follow up just smoothly from yesterday, which was getting grounded. Now that we're more connected with nature, we're going to see how we can give back and learn more. Nature, in her infinite wisdom, is such a wonderful place to learn more about ourselves and how we can continue to find what works for us during our health journey. So Moises and I are going to head up into the mountains to one of his favorite spots. Yo. Save your eardrums some trouble and go ahead and let someone with a real microphone take it from here. Dan Buettner, my man. What do we got?
In all cases, longevity happened to these people. It was a residue of the right environment, an environment that nudges them into doing the right things all day long.
Which is why we've been very intentional with our environment. First with our inner environment, right? And then our social connections, our environment. I am social. And now we're taking those principles on a macro level because it's all connected. And though we might not see the immediate results of change on the global scale, it affects us. More importantly, our future generations and everyone else in this world. So today, my challenge for you, one thing, choose one thing to be intentional about that you know will make for a better, global, healthier environment. Prioritizing our environment on a global scale has rippling effects, not just globally, but it also changes how we act on a more micro scale in our homes, in our personal life. And so it's just another lens to be more intentional of becoming a product of our environment and setting up our environment to be a healthy one. Because that's our intent, after all, on this beautiful, healthy journey. Right on, Pura Vida, see ya mañana.